Big announcement. Hello there, this is Dfortune, your fumigation expert. Welcome to Pest Shop by Dfortune, where you get everything pest control. It's that time of the year where we launch our annual promo. You heard me? Annual promo. April is such a special one because April is also my birthday. So it's a 3-in-1 celebration, and we are going to give you a mega burst to celebrate your Easter, to celebrate your Ramadan, and to celebrate your birthday at Pest Shop. We launched our 10-day promo from April 1st to 10th of April. 10 days of 50% price slash on the Dfortune FloCOUMAFEN Rodenticide. FloCOUMAFEN is the best rodenticide in the market. It kills all rat species, rodent, mice. You know, when you say no to Lassa fever, say no to rat, this is the solution you have. This is the most affordable, most incredible rodent control product in the market. So this is the 5 kilogram. This is the 10 kilogram. This usually goes for 50,000. I'm giving it for 25,000 just for 10 days. After 10 days, it goes back to 50,000. This goes for 90,000. I'm giving it for 45,000 naira. Amazing offer, 50% slash. We did this last year to celebrate Workers' Day. This year, we're going to do it specially to celebrate the Easter, to celebrate Ramadan, and celebrate my birthday. And the 20 by 20 gram pack is 6,000 naira. I'm giving you now for 3,000. The carton of it has 20 of this in the carton. Normally we sell for 100,000. Now I'm giving a carton for 50,000. Are you a dealer? Are you a reseller? Are you a PCO? You have a big hotel? You have a big farm? Rat has been dealing with you. This is an opportunity to stockpile for the year. We have them. The store is full. It's new. This is manufactured January 2023 to be expired 2026. So you can stockpile as many gallons as possible. It is still valid. It's still valid for long. So at first, we give you original product, amazing product, affordable product. Like I said, this is supposed to be for 90K. You get it for 45K. The one for 50K, you get it for 25K. The one for 6,000, you get it for 3,000. What a splash! 10 days of mega promo. Call us 090-999-07382. Make your order now. You can begin to pre-book. The amazing thing is this: we have a limited quantity of product we put for this promo. When the quantity is exhausted, that's the end of the promo. It might not even be up to 10 days. So pre-book. Tell me, I need 5 gallons, I need 10 gallons, I need 20 gallons, because we only have few number of gallons. Once we have here just about 25-30 gallons for this promo, be a part of it. Take advantage of it. After 10th of April, price reverse to normal, 100%, flat. Rat problem, worry no more. Dfortune.